Hello everyone and welcome again our new video. In today's video we are again gonna learn some really awesome and cool tips and tutorials on how to make different stuff. Starting off with the first one, we'll learn how to make this baby dinosaur who is holding a piece of watermelon in his hand and looks really cute and will make his horns. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making this small and cute flower which will be placed on the head of this beautiful rabbit who has big shiny eyes, big body and small legs. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll again learn how to make this beautiful rhinoceros who has big horns on his nose or his head. We'll create it by following the steps as shown by making his big shiny eyes. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this beautiful drawing of this cute one by following the steps as shown, who looks like a really cute dog. We'll create it by making the face and the body of this dog and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this beautiful drawing of this awesome one, which is a drawing of a beautiful dog who looks really cute. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll make or learn to make our favorite cartoon, the one and only Shin-chan, who is waving from one hand. We will create the face and then the body of the Shin-chan in a really cute manner and who looks really cute, and then we'll make her big eyes with eyebrows and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making this drawing of this beautiful and our favorite cartoon Shiro. We'll create them into this beautiful one by following the steps as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll draw the eyes of this beautiful girl which we are learning to make, and then we'll make her hairs which looks really beautiful and create her face by placing the hairs, and then we'll make her body by following the steps as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will create these wavy structures and create them into some really beautiful flowers which looks even more beautiful and create the beautiful leaves. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make these big ears and beautiful one by following the steps as shown. We will create it and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this beautiful drawing of this baby girl who has beautiful hairs and who is wearing a really beautiful dress, and we will make her legs and the purse which she is holding and her big shiny eyes and some mushrooms on the background. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this beautiful drawing of this cartoon who has a big nose and who is wearing a really cool dress as shown. We will make him as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will write some numbers like 4 and 2 to make this beautiful bird, which is a really easy one to make, and create the eyes and complete it. Thank you for watching the video.